Large concrete projects require careful planning, efficient equipment, and precise placement to ensure successful results. Whether the project involves commercial foundations, parking structures, industrial facilities, or large residential developments, the method used to place concrete can significantly impact productivity, quality, and overall costs. For many contractors and property owners in Danbury, boom pumps have become the preferred solution for handling large concrete pours. Boom pumps offer speed, flexibility, and accuracy that traditional concrete placement methods often cannot match. Their ability to reach difficult areas while maintaining consistent concrete flow makes them especially valuable for large-scale construction projects. Extended reach for large job sites. One of the biggest advantages of a boom pump is its ability to deliver concrete over long distances in hard-to-reach areas. The hydraulic arm, or boom, extends high above the ground and can maneuver around obstacles, buildings, and other structures. This allows concrete to be placed exactly where it is needed without requiring multiple pieces of equipment or extensive manual labor. On large construction sites in Danbury, this extended reach helps crews work more efficiently while minimizing delays. Faster concrete placement. Large projects often involve substantial amounts of concrete that must be poured within specific timeframes. Boom pumps provide a continuous flow of concrete, allowing crews to complete pours much faster than traditional wheelbarrow or chute methods. Faster placement helps keep projects on schedule and reduces the risk of concrete setting before the entire pour is completed. Improved efficiency can be especially important for projects with tight deadlines or complex construction schedules. Improved placement accuracy. Precise concrete placement plays an important role in the strength and quality of finished structures. Boom pumps allow operators to direct concrete exactly where it is needed, reducing waste and helping ensure consistent coverage. Accurate placement is particularly important for foundations, elevated slabs, retaining walls, large footings, commercial floors. This level of control helps contractors achieve better results while minimizing the need for adjustments or corrections. Reduced labor requirements. Traditional concrete placement methods often require large crews to transport and distribute concrete across the job site. Boom pumps significantly reduce the amount of manual labor needed during a pour. Because the concrete is delivered directly to the placement area, workers can focus on finishing and quality control rather than moving materials. Lower labor demands can improve job site efficiency and help manage project costs. Access to difficult locations. Many large construction projects involve areas that are difficult to access using conventional methods. Boom pumps can reach over structures, across obstacles, and into elevated or confined spaces. This flexibility makes them ideal for projects where direct access is limited. Whether working around existing buildings or reaching upper levels of a structure, boom pumps provide solutions that help keep projects moving forward. Enhanced job site safety. Safety remains a top priority on every construction site. By reducing the need for manual material handling and limiting worker exposure to heavy equipment movement, boom pumps can contribute to a safer work environment. Fewer workers are required to move concrete manually, reducing the risk of injuries and job site accidents. Well-organized concrete placement also helps maintain a cleaner and more efficient work area. Supporting large commercial projects. Boom pumps are commonly used for a wide range of large projects, including commercial buildings, parking garages, industrial facilities, apartment complexes, large residential developments, municipal construction projects. Their ability to handle high-volume pours makes them an essential piece of equipment for many contractors working on major developments in Danbury. Experienced operators make a difference. While boom pumps offer impressive capabilities, skilled operators are essential for achieving the best results. Experienced operators understand how to position the boom, control concrete flow, and coordinate with construction crews. Their expertise helps ensure safe operation and accurate placement throughout the project. Choosing an experienced concrete pumping provider can make a significant difference in both efficiency and overall project quality. A smart solution for Danbury construction projects. Boom pumps offer numerous advantages for large concrete projects, including faster placement, improved accuracy, reduced labor requirements, and better access to challenging areas. Their versatility and efficiency make them an ideal choice for contractors and property owners seeking reliable concrete placement solutions. For large projects in Danbury, boom pumps help improve productivity while supporting quality construction results. By combining advanced equipment with experienced operators, concrete pumping services can help keep projects on schedule and deliver the performance that modern construction demands.